Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGET. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. The reason I want to do a 60-minute time frame is because I believe it does a better job of showing what's been going on with the chart. You can see here it was essentially dead. Then all of a sudden, came to life. And I guess real quick, I should note, if you're unfamiliar with charts, all I mean by 60-minute chart is instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they are known, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 60 minutes worth of price action. So again, just a good way to look at more of a micro type picture of the stock. So just a quick little recap. Obviously, the chart came to life here. And then hour after hour after hour, it was green, and then reality showed back up on this candle here. Selling came in, and now it's since been starting to roll back over. However, the first thing that caught my eye when I pulled up the chart was a nice final hour to the day. You can see green candle there. So we'll see if that carries into tomorrow or not. But what I want to do is just map out some supports and resistances. First area of support, I want to just point out, is going to be right here. And that's where the bulls finally stepped in today and said, you know what, no more downwards price action. And that is at 0.0132. So 0.0132 is going to be the first level of support to keep an eye on. If that level cannot hold, then the next level of support is going to be the 50-period simple moving average down here, which is that purple line. And that is currently valued at 0096. So 0096 and 0.0132 are going to be the two important areas of support that you should keep an eye on. Now, with any sort of bounce or anything, the best way to measure the bounce and the strength of the bounce is going to be to see how it reacts around this level right here, which is at 0.018. You can see acted as support multiple times here, and then when the price did drop below it, classic example of a support, then turning into a resistance right there. So that's going to be the key level to measure the strength. If the price starts to bounce and it can't get through there, well then, wasn't a very strong bounce, and it didn't have much genuine strength behind it. But if it can come up here and the volume bars start really increasing and it breaks through there, then you can put a lot more confidence in that break and into the bounce itself. So that'll be the first level of resistance on a bounce, and then the next one will be right up here at the 0.0231 area of resistance. So all in all, that's where the chart currently stands. Like I said, be interesting to see if this last hour of trading action here with this green candle will carry into tomorrow. So it's kind of just a sit back and let's see what happens type thing. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down here to my private trading group. What it is just a group of traders ranging from beginners all the way up to advanced traders. I send out my weekly personal scans and to an exclusive newsletter, and then we also have private chat room coming soon. It's just a great learning environment. I should note that when the private chat room does come, there will be a price change, and I promise that's not a sales gimmick or anything like that. And at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. All I ask that you do is click up on the testimonials above, read what other members are saying, and get a good, unsolicited, unbiased third-party perspective on what people are saying that have already signed up for the service. So hopefully you decide to check it out, and hopefully decide to join us. One more time, this was KGET. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.